Now, last but not least, many modern IDEs and editors allow you to install extensions. Here in Visual Studio Code, you reach that extensions section by going to View and then Extensions. The default view which we're currently in is the Explorer, by the way. Now, if we go to Extensions, what we see here is a list of enabled extensions I got installed. Got a couple of Angular extensions here because I work with Angular, and then a special theme which I installed, Dart, because I did some Flutter and Dart development, and a couple of other extensions as well. Now, you can, of course, always search for extensions by typing up here or by scrolling through the recommended ones. And for example, what you could do here is you could search for Prettier. It's one extension which we got installed already. We installed that in Module 1. Prettier is an extension that helps you with auto formatting. And in my case, as I said, I already have it installed. But if you don't have it installed yet, you can install it from here. Now, you can always learn more about extension on this page. You'll learn how it works, how to use it, how to configure it, which settings you can adjust. And this, therefore, allows you to tweak the development experience to your requirements and maybe even add brand new features to your development environment. So definitely also utilize this. My recommendation just would be that you don't install too many extensions, because it's easy to add more and more and more extensions. And at some point of time, your editor might become slow because of all these extensions, or you get strange behaviors, maybe strange auto formatting, which you didn't expect because you got multiple extensions clashing with each other, or extension A changing some configuration of extension B. So don't overdo it, but of course have a look at potential extensions that might help you. With that, let me go back to the Explorer.